Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today we're at Dollar Tree. Let's go shopping. So it's been a minute since I've been to the Dollar Tree. I'm jumping right into what's new. First thing I notice are these bells. Now everyone is bell crazy this Christmas, but you can save yourself a step and just buy them already made if you like this shape. They do come in the two different versions, one with a ridge. These are definitely new. These are fun standing reindeer. We're gonna get right back to those, but I was totally smitten with these mercury glass trees. Now, if you saw my last decor haul, which I think is my last for this season, hopefully, I did pick up some of these gold. They are open on the bottom, so you could do like an LED votive if you wanted. Now, the green and silver are glittery, but these two in the red and gold are just more of a mercury. Now, it just dawned on me that between the trees and the reindeer, some of the things I'm finding here today, I think that Dollar Tree's coming for Target Dollar Spot and giving them a run for their money. These reindeer at Dollar Spot would be at least $3, and here they're only $1.25. They come in the green as well as the red on a wood base, and they are metal. Good job, Dollar Tree. They're also putting out some front doormats for the holidays. They've got a few to choose from. The North Pole Tree Farm is definitely my favorite, but like I said, they have a few to choose from, and there are signs. There are a lot of signs, but I want to show you guys what I'm finding for the Winter Village. I think each year it gets better. I've been shopping at Dollar Tree since it was ceramic and super creepy. Now they have fun walkways and little details. They even have these little trees that have peppermints on the bottoms. They have little vehicles to go with it that light up. So these are battery operated. They have a fun little camper that is super cute. So this year they are new houses. I don't remember any of these from last year. This is a cobblestone cafe. I do love the shape of that one. This one's really whimsical in the sweets and treats shop. They have two churches, which I thought was interesting and really pretty. These are very vintage looking to me. So they have that one, and then this one that is more of a solid shape. It's not like a T shape. Down here they've got a fun fire station as well as another candy shop, and this one in the house is so sweet. I love that. These would be great doll houses for your dolls if you have 18-inch or American Girl dolls. So here's a look at the colors of the peppermints underneath the trees. They have a few that light up and then a few more traditional ones, but I can't even get over the amount of detail they put into that collection. I am finding a few new ornaments. Now these are metal tags, really cute, well done. I like the prints that they did. There's three, the black and white, this simple one in the white. They also have this one with the deer and joy on it. And these trees, definitely Target Dollar Spot dupes. So these are only $1.25. Get them while you can. They come in the 4 different prints. And this, which is an amazing buy for $1.25, it is a tree collar. It is a good size. It would fit things that come from Target Dollar Spot. It would also fit the trees here at the Dollar Tree and any small tree you might have on hand. They're also putting out some fun little lanterns. These are really nice. I found them in a cream and a red. They are battery operated and do light up. And a few new ornaments. I love when they put out their coordinating pieces where there are Noel signs coordinate with some of the different ornaments they have, but these in clay are going to fly off the shelves. In particular, this one in the gingerbread, which is at least half the price of the ones I found at Walmart. They also have some traditional staples. I love their stars. I think they actually make really great ornaments in a tree. They do have out a plaid reindeer and some new sweater covered ornaments in a few different prints. I don't think the execution of these is super great, if I'm honest with you guys. Now these, here's another thing. They were going for high end, but how they executed it was not great. But these are new. Good try, Dollar Tree. I think that these could have done really well. They also have some things for the kiddos and some fun little signs down below. Pretty much any saying you can imagine, you can find at the Dollar Tree. Now, if you love bells as much as I do, you may want to check these out. You could definitely paint them, refinish them if you are a fan of any other sort of popular print like Mackenzie Child. They also have this one I think is a gorgeous shape. Down below they did bottle brush trees, and these have a more modern look and feel to them. I've seen things like this at Target, I believe last year, and some fun new signs. So I love that they did this. It is a smaller than leaning size, if that makes sense. So it's probably still a good size. I'd say at least 12, if not more. It comes in Santa as well as the snowman. And I am finding some more new gnome items. So they have a few gnome signs. Here's the thing about the signs at the Dollar Tree. They're $1.25, and the ones in Target Dollar Spot are $5. Now, most of them are not as cute, in my opinion, as the ones at Target, but this one in Joy is very well done. Down here I found two more with Santa hats on that are new for the season, The Most Wonderful Time and Santa is Coming to Town. They have glitter on them, and I struggle, I do. Now they do have these very large snowflakes with different sayings and different prints on them, and these that are definitely worth the $1.25. They have a gingerbread bakery, a Christmas tree farm, and in the red plaid, a toy workshop and gifts. These are an A+ for Dollar Tree. I'm finding a few more signs over here. Christmas tree, a hot cocoa bar. I really think these would be more popular if they just skipped the glitter altogether. What do you think? They also have some fun little beaded handle signs over here for just $1. Now that's not really wood, that's cardboard that they made look like wood, so give and take. They also have these fun gnome welcome and believe signs. I love that welcome with the different plaid hats. These are really pretty. I've seen it in Believe in black, but they have a green hope one, and some of the signs that we've seen for years. I just wanted to kind of focus in on anything that I thought looked new this year to share with you guys. And down here I spotted a gnome sign. I think this was out last year, so they are back. They also have this one on white, gnome for the holidays, and this one in red, gnome sweet Dollar Tree. But this year they're doing this black and white gingham version and a red and black gingham tinsel garland. They also have trees in this, and I think that those will be popular. Now they have some hanging pieces in the candy theme, a few to choose from. You could even break these apart and use them in your tree if you wanted some large pieces. They have the candy canes, the hats, and the wreaths. Now I do think that the ornament that they put out is really pretty, especially if you just need something that size and shape for a DIY. And over here I cannot believe there's even one gingerbread left in the tinsel. Now down below I found a few small snow globe inspired signs with the car and Santa and a snowman. Now we're switching gears. I'm down the craft aisle, and on one side they have craft stuff, on the other they have Christmas. I thought this was great for $3. A wooden tree. You could DIY that and refinish it any way you wanted, and it would be beautiful. They also have a dupe for something I've seen at Target, and that's this $5 fir wreath. And down here, another Target dupe. These are super sweet little birdies. I think that these look really cute. Now they also have a few houses. If you guys saw my last Dollar Tree shop with me, they didn't have these smaller ones when we were in. They had the larger ones. So these are $3. They come in a colorful version, in the white, and in this one in the bright. They also have lots of ornament kits down here, and they are only $5 a kit, and they have every color scheme. They also have $4 inflatables. I know, I don't think they light up. From what I was reading, it's just an inflatable. I do believe it is weighted at the bottom. And I found this really cute vehicle. Again, another Target dupe. This is something that they put out in their Wonder Shop that is very similar. They also have some lighting kits, and I'm not sure if you've tried these. Let me know how they work down below in the comments. I'm also really interested to hear from you. Who did better with their Christmas decor this year? Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree? Now these signs are really beautiful. They're $5 a piece, high-end looking. They have Marion Gold, Believe in white gold. And I will link my other Dollar Tree Christmas shop with me so you can see the other items that they had this year. I think they did a great job. $3 for these owls, although I'm not a super big fan of them. They do have some $5 wreaths and a $5 faux fur tree collar. I cannot believe that for $5. It's a good size. It's for a full-size tree. And I don't think you could buy the fabric for that. Now they have a few signs I didn't see last time, including this one in the family-owned Christmas tree farm, and some insulated items. So these were just on a hanger. These are actually different insulated wine bottle holders. These would be great for gifting. They come in a few different holiday prints. And then I sort of turned my eye and saw a few more things I want to show you guys. These are really fun. So these are dice for the holidays. They come in two versions, the red one with all kinds of sayings. Now these would be great even to get in DIY, but $3. I just think that that is such a really good price for these. They have this one in the white with mostly black, but there is a little bit of color in this one. And then they also have those insulated pieces for large 9x13 casserole dishes in two different prints that I found. So now let's head over to the craft section, take a look at a few more new things hitting the shelves. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Dollar Tree. Check out some of these videos I've picked out for you right here, and I'll see you back very soon.